So for today's video, we're discussing about sa incident doon sa Pagadian City or sa Pagpag Pagadian City. This incident where the three students driving motors and they get crushed in the house of the other citizen. So yun, na-discuss yung tatlong estudyante that leads the two of them into death. So here's the lesson done. So kapag kapag mag-aalis tayo sa kinaroroonan is kailangan natin i-check yung motor natin if okay siya. So para mabawasan yung risk or tendency ng risk na matatamo natin. For example, yung ganun nga dun sa water. So this story is these three students are driving the motors and nawala yung preno kaya dumidiretso yung motor. So because of that, yung motor is sobrang bilis, and sa sobrang bilis yung impact talaga is sobrang lakas talaga. So yun, kaya dun na lead yung pagkamatay ng dalawang estudyante. So these three students are the grade 11 students or incoming, or it is currently a grade 11 student dun sa Palpalan, Pagadian City. So that's all guys, thank you.